Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we're here to deliver an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 4.95%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.71% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.76% to 39.38%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 39.66%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 30.56% to 67.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $816.85 and $1,045.52. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline: Meta stock price ended at $625.66 on Friday after losing 0.362%. The Meta stock price fell by 0.362% on the last day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, moving from $627.93 to $625.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.69%, with a day low of $600.61 and a day high of $634.79. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.47% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 8 million shares, but this occurred as prices fell. This may signal an early warning, and the risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 21 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13 billion and $40 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 15.55%, or $115.23, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. The market downturn has led to significant discounts for major tech stocks, including Meta Platforms, which appears well-positioned amid these fluctuations. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ have recently entered correction territory, down 8% and 11% respectively, driven primarily by uncertainties in tariff trade policy and federal spending cuts. In this context, investors are closely monitoring companies like Meta. Despite a turbulent market environment, Meta's financial performance remains robust. The company's fourth-quarter revenue rose by 21%, with earnings per share surpassing expectations. Meta is not merely resting on its laurels. It is investing heavily in artificial intelligence infrastructure to enhance ad targeting and user engagement, which could significantly drive long-term revenue growth despite any short-term margin pressures. Additionally, Meta is expanding its voice-powered artificial intelligence initiatives with the upcoming launch of Llama 4, indicating a strategic focus on leveraging cutting-edge technology to improve user experience and operational efficiency. This aligns with a broader industry trend where artificial intelligence is expected to become integral across various sectors. While some analysts express caution about the current market volatility, which can be detrimental in the short term, the potential for recovery remains. Strong financials combined with ongoing innovation may provide a solid foundation for Meta's long-term prospects. Therefore, these factors position Meta favorably, suggesting that savvy investors might see it as a compelling opportunity amidst broader market turbulence. Analyst ratings have recently been released. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigress Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating while recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank rated Meta as sector perform and also suggested a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform rating with a recommendation to hold. Additionally, on that Thursday, Cowen & Company rated Meta as a buy while also advising a hold action. Finally, on the 30th of January 2025, it was reported that UBS also rated Meta as a buy with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Meta stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels around $647 and $675. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 15.07%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 148 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 141 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $615.86. This level may represent a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock displays average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $34.18 between its high and low, which is approximately 5.69%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been around 4.43%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.60. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $615.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Olive and Javier conducted an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February 2025, Cox Christopher K conducted an insider sale of 400 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Cox Christopher K also sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 28th of February, Cox Christopher K sold 200 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.872. In total, insiders purchased 46,422 shares and sold 155,393 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? The Meta stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Meta will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect Meta to open lower by $5.31 and begin trading at $620.35. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.